New York Immediate Assistance for Single Mothers in New York. Ladies of New York. We here at Single Moms Make Money want to provide you with the best information to help you to be successful. So please let us know how we can help. You single moms can receive help and assistance in all cities and counties across the state of New York. Assistance programs aid with free food, housing costs, rent, energy bills, mortgages, free health care, and more. Here are a few programs that we found to help you ladies. New York Earned Income Tax Credit. New York State Aid is an important tax benefit for income-earning New Yorkers who file income tax returns with the IRS and New York State. The aid can reduce the amount of tax owed and even result in a significant refund. New York City is one of the few cities in the U.S. that have a personal income tax as such, for those who resides in NYC. The IC includes credits from the federal government, New York State and New York City. New York State offers an 8% to 30% of the federal credit. Has an 8.5% of the federal credit non-custodial parent earned income tax credit. New York was the first state in the nation to enact a non-custodial parent aid in 2006. That may be claimed by eligible taxpayers instead of the regular New York State IEC. This refundable credit encourages low-income non-custodial parents to work and stay current with their child support payments. Food stamps, monthly benefits and grants that can be used to purchase food at numerous authorized retail and grocery stores will be issued by the food stamp program. Helping single moms, senior citizens, lower-income working people, the disabled and many others feed their families. You can call 800-423-0009. New York Food Banks and Distribution Centers. The distribution of free food and groceries to people who need help is coordinated by these organizations that can be found across the state as a network of food banks and distribution centers. Call 2125-6678. 55 to contact the Food Bank for New York City, New York Child and Adult Care Food Program. Provides nutritious meals and snacks to infants and children as a regular part of their daycare. It aims to improve the quality of nutrition offered at a critical time in young children's development. The majority of participants are preschool-aged children up to 12 years of age. Eligibility is based either on the poverty status of the area or on the family income of the enrolled children. If you have questions about the Child and Adult Care Food Program, contact the New York State Department of Health. Call 1-800-942-3858. Temporary assistance. Temporary help is offered by the TA to needy single moms, men, and children. TA may be able to pay for your bills, expenses, and debt if you are unable to work. If you can't find a job in the slowing economy or if your job does not pay enough to meet your bills, call 800-423-0009. New York Heat Cooling Assistance Program. Cooling assistance is also available to help New Yorkers who have medical conditions that can be aggravated by extreme heat. Buy and install air conditioning up to $800 per installation for eligible household. Like KEEP funding, cooling assistance funds are limited and are distributed on a first-come, first-served basis. Applications run through August 31st, or until funding runs out, whichever comes first. For more information on how to apply, call 212-835-7216. Head Start. Head Start is a federal program that aims to enhance the cognitive, emotional and social development of children from birth to age 5 from low-income families, making sure they're school-ready. Language literacy and social and emotional development are some area where the program can support a child's growth. The role of parents is emphasized by the program as their child's first and most important teacher. To find a Head Start or Early Head Start program near you, call 866636481. New York Pre-Kindergarten Program. There are also free pre-K programs in NY public schools that are approved by the New York City Department of Education but provided by community organizations. These programs usually last 2.5 to 6 hours of a school day. Every family with a 4-year-old in New York City may apply during the application period. Families can apply online with My Schools over the phone or in person at a Family Welcome Center. If you have questions about pre-K admissions or wait lists, call 7189352-0009. Vouchers and child care subsidies. Individuals may qualify for financial assistance for paying their childcare expenses. if they are parents that are working or seeking employment, attending job training, or in school. A portion of your costs will be paid with the State of New York and federal government funds. Call 518-474-9454 for information. Vouchers for paying rent. The HUD Housing Choice vouchers are the main resource available. These vouchers are used to subsidize a low-income family's rent costs. Mortgage and foreclosure aid programs that can help you pay for mortgage and avoid foreclosure are also offered by the State of New York. Nonprofit organizations support New York homeowners while the towns and counties can offer counseling and mediation services. Call 800-3-800-24-663 to contact the State of New York Mortgage Agency for help. Docs. You can also find how a HUD-approved mortgage counselor can help you get back on track with your mortgage. In addition to the programs mentioned before, emergency financial assistance. The Salvation Army is one of the leading nonprofit agencies to contact when in need of help, having locations all around the state. Rent, utility bills, food, and holiday assistance. Limited gasoline vouchers are some of the things that the organization may have funds for you. Community clinics for healthcare, either free or low-cost healthcare, can be offered to qualified individuals by the several locations and facilities located across New York. Government-sponsored and nonprofit programs can offer medical care to families that do not have health insurance. Checkups, family health care, and medical bill assistance for children are some of the needs for which assistance is available. Child Health Plus. In order to help reduce medical bills and expenses, New York State has created a health insurance plan for kids. The name of the program is Child Health Plus. Your child may be eligible to join either Child Health Plus or Children's Medicaid, depending on your family's total income. Dozens of providers offer both these programs throughout the state. Call 800-698-4543. Some benefits include child care, immunizations, physical exams that include diagnosis and treatment of illness and injury as well. Lab tests and x-rays, outpatient surgery if ordered, prescription and non-prescription drugs, inpatient hospital medical or surgical care, short-term therapeutic outpatient services such as chemotherapy and hemo dialysis, limited inpatient and outpatient treatment for substance abuse, alcoholism and mental health, dental and vision care. Prescription Saver Card program destined for New York single mothers whose income are too high to qualify for Medicaid. People with disabilities and individuals who are too young to qualify for Medicare savings. This is a statewide prescription drug discount card program. Between 25 to 40% can be saved on prescription drug prices. Call 800-788-6917 for information. Healthy New York for qualified working families and single moms. This is a low-cost health insurance plan. To be enrolled in this program, participants need to pay a low-cost monthly premium and co-pays. Call 866-325-849 for information. Dental assistance. Free or low-cost help is given by numerous dental facilities across the state. To help aid single moms and their children's dental needs, free legal help for low-income New York single moms. lawhelp.org/ny is the one-stop legal information portal. Numerous free services and legal advice is offered. Advice, representation, and other forms of legal assistance is offered to New York State residents by several nonprofit law firms. Call 2125-773300 to contact the Legal Aid Society's headquarters to ask for help. Career and workforce centers focused on helping the unemployed and single mothers find a new job and providing experience and additional training to those who currently hold a position. There are dozens of offices located across New York. All the services come free of charge. To contact the Department of Labor for general inquiries, please call 5184579 New York Unemployment Insurance. Unemployment insurance benefits provide temporary financial assistance to workers who become unemployed through no fault of their own for up to 26 extended weeks. As a condition of eligibility, you are required to actively seek suitable employment during each week in which you are claiming benefits. If you qualify, you can receive UI benefits of up to $504 per week. How do I file for unemployment in NY Online? To file a claim, use your NYGov ID to sign into your online account with the Department of Labor or create a new account if you don't already have one. Employment programs, government grants, Self-sufficiency and referrals. Your local community action agency may offer dozens of resources: career counseling, assistance in gaining new skills, low-income assistance, and more are some of the services included. Direct help for housing, food and other emergency needs is what the centers may refer to provide if faced with a crisis. Energy company programs for low-income single mothers. Many energy companies have their own cash grant disconnection prevention and weatherization services. In addition to the resources offered in your county, call 800-3423-009 to contact the Home Energy Assistance Program, HCAP, for information on benefits and eligibility. New York Child Health Plus CHIP. Single moms can get their children fully covered with the help of Child Health Plus, a health insurance plan for kids offered by the state of New York. Your child may be eligible to join Child Health Plus, a formerly Children's Medicaid, or Child Health Plus B, depending on your family's income. Dozens of providers throughout the state provide both Child Health Plus A and B. It's easy to enroll in Child Health Plus New York State Tuition Assistance Program. The New York State Tuition Assistance Program is a need-based grant that helps eligible New York students pay tuition at an approved post-secondary institution in New York State, NYS, depending on the academic year in which you apply. An annual TAP award can be up to $5,665 a year. Use the TAP Award Estimator to estimate the amount you may receive from the New York State Tuition Assistance Program. And since TAP is a grant, it does not have to be repaid. To be eligible for TAP, you must file an FAFS and list a New York State school or college on the form. The TAP application deadline is June 30th of the academic year for which aid is sought. Students newly applying for NYS financial aid under the provisions of the DREAM Act must first apply for eligibility under the NYS DREAM Act before applying for TAP. Some benefits include child care, immunizations, physical exams that include diagnosis and treatment of illness and injury as well, lab tests and X-rays, outpatient surgery if ordered, prescription and non-prescription drugs, inpatient hospital medical or surgical care, short-term therapeutic outpatient services such as chemotherapy and hemodialysis, limited inpatient and outpatient treatment for substance abuse, alcoholism and mental health, dental and vision care. General program requirements. The applicant must be a U.S. national citizen, legal alien, or permanent resident under 19 years of age not covered by health insurance, including Medicaid, and a resident of the state of Pennsylvania in order to qualify for this benefit program. A premium coverage may need to be paid for depending on your income level. Application process. Contact your local community organization to get help with enrolling and applying for Child Health Plus. www.health.state.ny.us program contact information. Visit the following website for more information on the program: www.health.state.ny.us. To ask about Child Health Plus, call the toll-free number 800-698-4543. For TTY users, you can call 877-985,849. Ladies, thank you again. We hope this information helps you. Please share, like, and comment below. Toodles.